Hey, today I would like to demo one of Razroo's less spoken about features, which is documentation. On this screen in particular, I'm currently showing Razroo's scaffolding interface, which is we have reusable components that you can go into your code editor. You can generate those scaffolds directly into your code editor. We have demos elsewhere. But the interface for Razroo is that we have instructional content. We tell people what it is that it's going to do. For instance, for the service, we're going to generate an Angular service. An Angular service is most commonly used to pull in backend data and pass it along to the front end. And we also have relevant questions. Documentation is something that we don't want our users to spend time with. So I'm very proud to announce today that we have what's called AI instructional content, and we also have AI relevant questions. For this one, I'm just going to demo my relevant questions. You choose for each particular programming language, we have a subset of what type of feature that is. So for this one, it's a service. I'm going to generate the relevant questions for my service. We'll put in a loader sometime soon. So you wait another 3 or 4 seconds, and then the relevant questions should pop up hopefully soon. So we'll just wait around for that for another 3 seconds. Okay. So we'll see here, this will finally become non-disabled once it loads. So we do have a little bit of a loader. Okay, fantastic. So we've just automatically created via AI our instructional content. Let's go ahead and let's refresh this page now that we've generated our AI. Okay, and there you go. So I've just generated relevant questions. Anyone who wants to know about an Angular service, it says an Angular service is a JavaScript function that is responsible for performing specific tasks. It's a constructor function that is used to encapsulate related code and be injected on other components. What's the benefit of an Angular service? Angular services are beneficial because they allow for code reuse, separation of concerns, and improve maintainability. They also help to reduce the amount of code that needs to be written, et cetera, et cetera. So what's the benefits of something like this? Well, first and foremost, for a lot of our contributors for Razroo, we didn't want them to spend time on writing documentation. We just want them to upload the code and then have everything automatically appear. So that's what we have currently for people right now. We've had another use case is that we've had people that want to use Razroo as a documentation tool. So this is the first stage of having Razroo be a documentation for people. Let's say you have an open source library or you have an SDK, you can hopefully just upload that into the Razroo system. So we hope that this is just one more aspect of Razroo that we're going to add into the system that's going to make things a lot faster to upload code into the system, and it's going to make things a lot easier for everybody. So there you have it, AI or AI for documentation in the Razroo system. All right, thank you, and until next time.